starting. When you start playing Minecraft as a beginner in 2025, your main goal on the first day is to get food, shelter, and basic tools before night falls, because hostile mobs appear after dark. Begin by finding a tree and punching the trunk to collect a few logs. Open your inventory to turn those logs into wooden planks, then use some of the planks to make a crafting table. With the crafting table, you can make sticks and then craft a wooden pickaxe. Once you have that, dig into the ground or the side of a hill to find stone and mine it to get cobblestone. Cobblestone lets you upgrade to stone tools, which are much stronger and faster, including a stone pickaxe and a stone sword for protection. While exploring, look for animals like cows, pigs, or sheep to get food. If you manage to collect wool from sheep, you can craft a bed, which allows you to skip the dangerous night. Before the sun sets, make sure you have a safe place to stay, either by digging a small cave into a mountain or building a simple shelter that keeps monsters out. Lighting your shelter with torches is important to stop enemies from spawning inside. Cooking raw meat in a furnace is also helpful, since cooked food restores much more hunger. As you play, avoid digging straight down because it can lead to lava or deep caves. If you're on Java Edition, using the debug screen to note your coordinates can help you find your way back home if you get lost. Once you find iron, making a shield is a smart early upgrade because it protects you from skeleton arrows. You can also turn off auto jump in the settings if you want better control while moving around.